Hi guys, welcome back to the Beam Homestead. Today I am back with another house update. As you can see, the first section of the roof is on, finally. It's not all the way complete, but it's covered. We have that little spot. We need the capping for that part. But other than that, we're good. In the near future, we're gonna do the ceiling. As of right now, the weight has lifted. So here's what's going on with the back section of the house. Ouch. Everything is a mess right now. Everything is all over the place. I got the lintel up. The corner column is finished, as well as that one. Started that, but it got a bit challenging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie the rebar over this side and the lintel base. I'm gonna do that one and put it up as well, and I'm gonna leave the rest to the mason guys to do that. So we left those parts out to extend the roofing. So we need to get working on that part, finish up the walls so we can roof this side of the house, and then plaster the walls, and then do the flooring, the wooden flooring on this section, and then windows and doors. The tiling can come afterwards. But yeah, that's what's been happening on the homestead. Also, I decided to extend the patio. I think I did that on a previous video. On this side. So I just have the pillars to go up on that side, and the frame on this side to finish, as well as the front, and then the flooring. We can make the deck and extend this roofing as well. That's pretty. Anyway, guys, that's what's been happening regarding the homestead home. Oh, I started working on the beam for the back. This is what I was working on today. I need to finish tying it up. I'm gonna do that now and just be done with it. So at least this is done, all the steel work is done. So the guys can just come in and do the formwork and the masonry work. This is too tall for me, so it's a bit challenging, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Way too tall. So yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow the homesteading journey. Bye bye.